What's up, man? It's your boy KB with my November 5-4 package. Let's see. Starting to be my favorite. A little nice little flannel there. I just had a flannel on tonight from you guys, so be able to put this together with something real nice. Oh, it's getting a little colder in California, so nice little hoodie with the zip. That's what I like. Zip. Got a little black and silver in there. On my Raider fans. That's for November. Getting colder. Getting colder. Let's check it out. That's all I usually gonna rock it. Just gonna throw it on like that. Probably wear it right up to there. So probably put this on with like some blue jeans or maybe some black jeans, but probably some blue. And those shoes you got sent last month probably goes nice. Probably put together. See, so I'll probably wear it like this, chain out, maybe be halfway down on either way, but probably like that. Or put a little nice watch on. That's all I'll be rocking that. And with this one, I'll put on black tee just to show a little demonstration. Guy out. Let's throw this bad boy on. I'm ready to rock right there. Again, I could wear this with some sweats or jeans or something. Throw that on. Throw a little watch on there too, maybe. But that's all we rocking. So November came through not too bad. Not too bad. Can't complain. Check y'all later.